for dog,
E for egg, E for elephant, E is for frog, frog, frog. E is for glasses, glasses, glasses.
H is for hat. Say it with me, H. Hat.
I for ice cream.
J is for jelly, jelly, K is for keyboard, keyboard. Lion, lion, lion.
Then M is for mango, and the mango, and the mango. Mango.
Nest. Lovely.
O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig,
Q for queen, Q for pen, rabbit, rabbit. R for sun, sun is for train, train.
U for umbrella. G for van.
W is for wolf,
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
zebra, zebra.